Hello adventurers, welcome to another vlog. Today I'm hiking in search of the Honk Falls in the Hickory Run State Park in the state of Pennsylvania. Supposed to be a really easy hike, less than a mile, never been here before. Now let's do this. This is a beautiful hike, very easy, very quick to find a waterfall. It's a Wednesday and it's quite busy. Seen a lot of families, people with kids, people with pets, so highly recommend it. Let's do this. What's up, guys? You guys want to appear in my vlog?
Yeah.
Hey, what's up?
What's up?
I found something.
What's the channel?
Jonnaton.
Jonnaton.
Hiking adventure in Honk Falls.
Hey.
Hello, hello. I found some other people. They're actually in the water. How's the water? Super cold?
It's extra cold.
I'm glad I found some other people that actually enter the water, so that I'm not the only one. Yeah! Oh my god! So many sticks! Ready for it? Yeah! Thank you, adventurers, for watching another vlog. Highly recommend coming to Honk Falls. Very easy hike. I hope you guys are doing well. Hope you guys stay safe, explore nature, and live your life. Chase your dreams. See you guys on the next video.